Hey everyone, Avi Arkishin from Charts. Let's take a look at QQQ. So I'm looking at QQQ here, and my initial thoughts are this looks like a bullet trap on top here. And it's look at me as if like we're in a retest resistance level at the top here. And coming in into the last hour today, you have an increased volume with the Doge as well, which we saw. We saw that on SPY also here with increased volume Doji, which I have a retest on SPY around this area. But on QQQ, we're having the same thing pretty much, and it's in a falling, a bearish trend. Let's just say a bearish trend. Um, and I'm like, okay, so we have a higher low over here, right on the hourly. So the question now is, are we going to come back down and retest? Put white. Are we going to come back down and retest this level here tomorrow around 594, somewhere around here, and then just make our way up here like this until we break up and the market has probably bottomed? Or are we going to do this? It's hard to tell what we're going to do. Are we going to just have a rug pull in the morning? Or we actually come back down at the bottom here, maybe over here, 593, or we actually come back into this gap? I don't know. But trading this tomorrow, the plan is you have your trend. This is your trend. Let it be your friend. You have your supply zone, your resistance zone up here. It might be coming down, creating higher lows within the hourly time frame, and you want to see whether or not it's going to break this trend over here. And I don't know if it's going to break the trend, but usually speaking, if you want to know if it has bottomed on the 1 hour, you want to see two higher lows and one higher high. What that means is this. Your first low, you have your second low at the bottom here. You have another low, third low, higher low, but you also want to see one higher high. That's when there's a change in the trend, change in character, change in behavior, and a pattern. So we already put in on the hourly one higher low. So you have one higher low. So you want another higher low, which is 2, and you want one higher high. So whenever there's a trend change, you want to see 2 new or higher lows. So you have 1, put in 1 so far. You want to see another one. You want to see 2, and then you want to see 1 higher high. So 2 higher lows and 1 higher highs. That's a change in pattern. So this is what you want to see. But if you see, you start getting rejection here. And this is like sort of like breaking down. That's more of a bearish signal that this might be coming back down at this 491 level, or actually come back down within this 486. Well, not come back down, but actually come down to that level they've had. So we'll see. It's just trading with the plan is just to see what it does with this trend and this supply zone on top here, which is 502 within that level. Let's see what the data is showing. So let's use the market net flow. So the market net flow is showing on the, let's change the time frame to a 1 hour. Let's do a 30 minutes maybe. Might be different. On the 30 minutes time frame, it's showing that it's moving the market net flow. That's a bullish divergence in a way. It's moving up in terms of option flows coming in. And if you're doing the whales target, let's just see what whales are doing based on the dark pool data and the option flow. It's combining the two of them and it's giving target to see what whales are actually doing. So whales have a lower target of 490. You saw that 490 was tested. Let's check the chart. Let's see. 487. So that 490 was hit. So whales tend to hit their targets. So you see that 490 was hit on QQQ. Now, what's the next target they have? They're setting support at 497 and 496 at the moment. So that's where the support is being set. So let's go back here. So support are being set at 497 and 496, right at this trend line, pretty much moving up. So let this trend be your friend tomorrow. If you're trading, you break the trend. You either get what you call a bear trap, where you broke it a little bit, watch your volume, and then you move your way back up. So that's what I'll be watching tomorrow. And I want to see in terms of the daily candle, I want to see a higher low moving into tomorrow. So there you have the doji with increased volume. That was yesterday. And today you have a higher low. Tomorrow I want to see us put in another higher low and not come back down here. So I'm more bullish on QQQ and bullish to neutral. So let's see how it goes, because we're still halfway to this candle. I want to see price move back up above the 503 level. Once we're below that 503 level, we keep trading below that 503 level and get rejected off of that 503 level. We're still in a bearish territory and we can still come back down lower, but we're finding support on the 200-day moving average. Hopefully that was helpful. All right, guys, later. Bye.